Hi all, welcome to my channel. Digital learning makes students smarter. Learning tools and technology enable students to develop effective, self-directed learning skills. They are able to identify what they need to learn, find and use online resources, apply the information on the problem at hand, and even evaluate resultant feedback. Digital learning is replacing traditional educational methods more and more each day. The inclusion of digital learning in the classrooms can vary from simply using tablets instead of paper to using elaborate software programs and equipment as opposed to the simple pen. This could entail using sites, services, programs, teaching tools and technologies like study aids built for at-home use. Even social networks and communications platforms can be used to create and manage digital assignments and agendas. It empowers students by getting them to be more interested in learning and expanding their horizons. Digital learning makes students smarter. Learning tools and technology enable students to develop effective self-directed learning skills. They are able to identify what they need to learn, find and use online resources, apply the information on the problem at hand, and even evaluate resultant feedback. This increases their efficiency and productivity. In addition to engaging students, digital learning tools and technology sharpen critical thinking skills, which are the basis for the development of analytical reasoning. Children who explore open-ended questions with imagination and logic learn how to make decisions as opposed to just temporarily memorizing the textbook. Interactive social skill games are excellent learning tools that teach children discipline because playing games requires children to follow rules and guidelines in order to participate. This ends up helping them develop patience, another useful life skill. Children also develop positive feelings of accomplishment from mastering new knowledge and skills using digitized learning tools, giving them the confidence they need to want to learn even more new things. It is commendable that millions of courses by the best educators are available for free to anyone with an internet connection. The possibilities are endless. Digital learning tools involve educators and parents to a deeper extent. Learning tools and technologies like social learning platforms make it easy for teachers to create and manage groups. The shift to digital learning can approximate the benefits of tutoring while freeing up time for teachers to address present education model. Parents can use interactive activities to encourage their child's interest in learning, since gamification makes the process much more enjoyable and interesting. Parents can also explore online learning activities with their child, which can serve as an extension to what they are learning in their classrooms. Digital learning tools and technology provide enjoyment for kids as well as numerous benefits in terms of developing a child's well-being. Everyone benefits with the digitization of learning. Digital learning tools and technology is rapidly increasing information sharing. In recent years, the shift from print to digital has impacted how we learn. Just as printing press did 6 centuries ago, this transition is transforming formal education and increasing learning opportunities. Digital learning is not only allowing students to access more and more information in question is customizable and suited to their personal needs. The opportunity to help every student learn to best pace and path for them is the most important benefit of digital learning. Digital learning tools and technology enable educators to rapidly share information with other educators in real time. The explosion of free and open content and tools has created an environment of sharing economy. By embracing digital devices and connected learning, classrooms around the country and around the globe can not only coordinate with one another to share insights but also boost learning, experience and communication skills. The practice also allows educators to enjoy a level playing field. Schools can save money while ensuring equitable access to educational material as expensive private schools. Digital learning is making students self-motivated and more accountable. Students using digital learning tools and technology become more engaged in the process and more interested in growing their knowledge base. They may not even realize that they are actively learning, since they are learning through engaging methods such as peer education, teamwork, problem solving, reverse teaching, concept maps, gamification, staging, role playing and storytelling. Digital learning is far more interactive and memorable than voluminous textbooks or one-sided lectures. They provide better context, a greater sense of perspective and more engaging activities than traditional education methods. This allows students to better connect with the learning material. They often offer the more interesting and involving way to digest information. This is reflected in their retention rates and test scores. When students can track their own progress, it can improve motivation and accountability. Increasing students' employability with digital learning tools and technology. Equipping students with the requirements of higher education and holding a career at a young age has become one of the most crucial responsibilities of school education. Digital learning solutions based on problem-based learning emphasize on learning methods that are constructive, collaborative and calls the students' attention to a real-world approach to learning. Digital learning tools and technology in elementary, secondary and high schools prepares students for higher education and modern careers by helping them acquire skills including problem solving, familiarity with emerging technologies and self-motivation. Traditional education methods have to be replaced. Traditional lectures may still exist along with the new age learning tools and technology. The lecture material should be provided as a supplement to classroom activities and moved online for students to reference outside of the classroom. Classroom time is better used for discussing the curriculum, engaging in activities with teams and completing class projects. Students often have the option to pace the learning and even study ahead with a digital learning tool if they wish to do so. By helping children think outside their typical learning modes, digital learning inspires creativity and lets children feel a sense of accomplishment that encourages further learning. Digital learning tools and technology fill the gaps where traditional classroom teaching falls behind. Some of the efficiencies such tools bring are simply unmatchable by traditional learning techniques. From the environmental impact recognized by the need for less paper for handouts and books to saving time with quick access to information and the ease of research, digital learning provides an effective way to cut costs, maximize resources and heighten both reach and impact for students and educators alike. Thank you.